friends, we have a news related to the Caribbean island country Trinidad and Tobago. So from the prelim perspective, this can be important. So this country has recently actually announced a national emergency. And what was the reason? So reason was very important because the reason was related to the environment. So let's understand what is that reason. The reason was there was incident of oil spill in the Eastern Caribbean area, because of which maritime ecosystem of the country or you can say the marine ecosystem of this country get affected. So the spill originating from the overturned vessels near Tobago, that has led to the widespread environmental damage. So remember that oil spill is one of the major reasons because of which actually large number of marine species are extincting and dying every year. That is a matter of global environmental concern. So one more thing, that the coastline promoting the concern about the impact of the national economy, particularly tourism sector. So basically these are a small island country and mostly they depend on the tourism. At the same time they also depend on the marine ecosystem. So most of the major contribution of in the economy of these countries comes from the tourism and also the marine sector, right? So this is all about the news related to Trinidad and Tobago. ऐसे ही relevant and important वीडियो को जानने के लिए आप हमसे जुड़ सकते हैं हमारे YouTube चैनल सिलेक्शन IAS के माध्यम से। धन्यवाद।